The spring housing market is finally upon us, and that should mean more for sale signs popping up in your neighborhood. Now, this year isn't expected to be super strong, but there are signs of optimism, at least among sellers. Some of those who gave up last year are now jumping back in. Nearly 45,000 homes that were delisted last year were relisted for sale in January, and that's according to Redfin, a real estate brokerage. That is the highest January figure since Redfin began tracking this metric a decade ago, and it represents a record 3.6% of homes that were on the market in January. Now, this of course comes after Redfin reported a record number of sellers who pulled their homes off the market last September because they just couldn't get the deal they wanted. Close to 85,000 sellers delisted. That's up 28% from the year before. Okay, so what was the problem? You name it. Higher mortgage rates, higher home prices, lean inventory, growing uncertainty in the economy, layoffs, fear of AI. It just all turned things from a seller's market to a buyer's market. One real estate agent in North Carolina told me sellers were just throwing their hands up in the air saying, if we don't get what we want or what we think this house is worth, we're out. Now, it's not like all the issues we had in the economy last fall have gone away, and we do have the war in Iran on top of all that uncertainty. But on the bright side, the supply of homes for sale nationally right now is higher than it was a year ago, nearly 8% higher. But every month, that annual comparison is actually shrinking, and it has been for 9 straight months. So, bright side, maybe not as bright as we thought. But maybe the relistings will help. We also, though, need brand new listings. Inventory is still down 17% from 2019, or the pre-pandemic level. It's also kind of split. Supply is highest in the South and West, in the lower price ranges, but the Northeast and Midwest are still really undersupplied. And finally, mortgage rates. It's really hard to say something today because it's just going to change tomorrow. Rates have been extremely volatile. And with everything going on in the Middle East, they're just going to continue to be that way. They are lower than they were a year ago, but everyone thought they would be much lower by now. And they were falling just a few weeks ago, but renewed fears over inflation have them now rising again. So there you have all the dynamics setting up the spring housing market. Happy hunting!